In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Chapaa loan app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so by updating your Chapaa loan app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. To do this, I'm going to use my Android smartphone. However, you can also do this on your iPhone. To update this app, go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store on your Android. And here's my Play Store. So if I tap on it, I'll be taken to Play Store here. From here, go ahead and search for your app using the search bar here, or tap on search here, and then just type in the name of the app, and that's Chapaa Loan, and then search for it. And as you can see, we have our app here. As you can see here, I've been using an outdated version of Chapaa Loan app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Chapaa Loan app. And then from here, you can proceed and open it to start using the latest version of Chapaa Loan app. So that's how you can get the latest version or update your Chapaa Loan app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.